Welcome in everybody, this is Big Boss X. Today I have a different video. Like I've said different before, but this is actually kind of different. So I have a bunch of random packs. I have Shining V-Star. I have Primal Clash. 2 packs of that. I have a very old set of a Ruby and Sapphire, but they're in Spanish. And then the most expensive one of them all, Black and White Plasma Blast. This is my only pack of that. And it was super expensive. So let's just get right into it, guys. So yeah, let's open Shining V-Stars. Can I even open this? Oh. Got Japanese sets have the part on the side. You can just pull down. But yeah, Shining V-Star. This is my actually first time opening this one. I don't think there's any card trick for this, for Japanese cards at least. So I'm just gonna be as careful as possible. I saw something nice in the back already. So we got Grookey, Dendi, Greedence. I feel that was wrong. Haunt Edge. Oh! Look at the V-Star, goodness. I know the name of the card, I just can't pronounce it. Which is actually like cringe. Okay, so we got a hit, guys. We got a hit. I got 3 of these because I didn't know what the pull rates will be. I know like for VMAX Climax it was kind of high. So like, plus they only had a few packs left. So I just bought 3. I didn't want to put too much stock into this one. But yeah. So let's go. Japanese sets are always super fun. You can't get I like that pattern they put on there. We got another hit. But yeah, I honestly I love the Japanese cards so much more. I've said this so many times on this channel. It just feels so much more premium compared to the American counterparts. And well, not even American. I'll say even the Korean cards. They feel better than Korean cards. I should have bought some Korean cards today. Should have bought some more Eevee heroes. It would have fit the theme of this video of just random packs, you know? But yeah, this is the last pack of Shining V-Stars. Probably gonna be the last video for a while as well, until I can get some more cards in. Oops, I'm sorry guys. Oh, that's getting sleeved up, baby. Oh, I got 4 hits out of that. That's crazy. Maybe I should have bought more. Maybe I could buy more. Huh? Oh man, oh, I forgot the hits. Gotta sleeve up the Bolton V as well, you know. Alright, next we have Primal Clash. I'm very nervous about this one. I don't know how this is gonna go. If I were to say. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is a really old set from the X and Y era. I think this is, should I say 3 cards? Maybe 4? Oh! It's 3. It's 3. It's 3 cards. I saw it already. Kakuna, Escape Rope, Celio, Mudkip, Feebas, Luminous, the Hippo, Slugma, Trico. Actually, I might sleep with that Trico. And Mega Garver. That's like one of the best hits out the pack. Holy crap. I'm going to send this to the card shop. They're like, you have to be freaking kidding me. Yeah. I'm actually going to keep that Trico to the side. Actually, I'm going to sleeve it up. Sleeve that bad baby up. Holy crap. I actually don't believe I got a Gardevoir. Mega Gardevoir. Where is the pack? Oh, Rahar. Wow. What else can I get today? The hits have been already so great. Oh, and I still have Ruby and Sapphire in a black and white pack? Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's 3. Let me not mess that up again. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Uh-oh. Upside down. Kakuna, Whiscash, Archie, Trampich, Spiel, Torchic, Meryl, Surskit, Slugma, and a Starmie. Actually, let me sleeve up the Slugma too. Just because it's an older set. It's a reverse, but whatever. Okay. Now we're getting down to the pricier ones. I think these were like 35 a pack, and it's only a pack of 5. These are, I think, Ruby and Sapphire was the first set released by Nintendo, if I remember correctly. Oh. I don't know if there's any card trick for the Spanish cards, so we're just gonna go right through it. This has the Mighty Anna pack art on it, and yeah, let's go. Trainer, Numel, Pooch, Breloom, Grovyle. Okay. Wait, was there any? Oh, Breloom was the rare. Alright, let's just keep going. If I get like 1 hit, that'll be amazing. That's the kind of a rule about me. Anytime I open a set, I just want at least 1 hit from the set, you know? Just so I can put it in the book. This is the Minetric art. We got Makuhita, Electric, Wingull, Sea King, and a Pokeball. Oh, nothing. What was the rare? The rare in that was the Sea King. So I guess the 4th card in every pack is the rare, I guess. Okay. Alright, guys. I don't even want to open this. Plasma Blast. This one was 65 bones. But I had store credit. Let's open her up. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. And because it's white and black, I think the card trick is going to be 3. Whoa. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. Oh, I like the cards so much. Glalie. Candy. Bagon. Snorunt. Porygon. Ducklet. Oh, I think I see something shining. Snover. Solosis. And a Porygon Z! Nice! Porygon Z was actually the last Pokemon I needed for my Pokedex in Legends Arceus. And it looks so nice. Like when I say nice, it looks so like centered. Maybe I should just sleeve this one as well, just because it came out of such an old set. I think that glaze, yeah. Wow. Oh, just admiring these cards. They're old cards. Old. Well, alright guys. That's it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.